Hi guys, what's up? I am Sanjali and welcome you all on Sanju Spot. So in this video, we'll be talking about the hesitation that we all have while speaking English. Okay, but before that, I want to tell you that I am not any expert speaker, but I have improved my English a lot. So on this channel, I'll be giving you kuch ऐसे tips that will help you to improve your English. Okay, so let's talk about this video. In this video, we'll be talking about the hesitation that we all have while speaking English. So how to deal with that hesitation and why we all have that hesitation. Okay, so we'll be talking about all these things in this video. So let's get started. You may be good at vocabulary, you may be good at grammar. Okay, but even then you are lacking behind in speaking English. Okay, or you don't have that confidence which you need while speaking English. So why all these things happen? Why you are lacking behind in speaking English, or I can say that why you're lacking behind in spoken English. Okay, though you have good command over grammar and you have good vocabulary bank also. So we'll be talking about why all these things happen. Okay, because having good vocabulary is other thing, having good grammar is other thing, and having good spoken English is other thing. Okay, because as English is not our native language. Okay, so we all have read English only as a subject since our childhood. We have read all the grammar rules, we have read, we come across new words daily, but even then also most of us don't have good command over spoken English. Okay, so why all these things happen, why we are not able to improve our spoken English? So I want to tell you that your spoken English, okay, or your speaking English skills in English will not improve unless you speak in English. Okay, so this is very common thing that if you want to improve your speaking skills in any language, then you have to speak in that language. Okay, and we all are only reading things, we all are watching movies, but all these things will not going to work. If you want to improve your spoken English, or if you want to improve your speaking skills in English, then you have to speak in English. Without speaking, your spoken English will not improve. Okay, so this is something very much clear to you all, I think. Then what's the problem? Why you can't speak? Why you are lacking behind in speaking English? Why you don't have that confidence? Or why you think about the people? Okay, why you have this thought in your mind, okay, that what people have to say about you when you will speak in English, why all these things happen and what to do. So we'll be finding the answers of all these questions in this video. But before that, I want to tell you that I am not an expert speaker, but I have improved my English a lot and I am still improving. I'm still trying to improve my speaking skills, my spoken English. So if you found any mistakes in my grammar, or if you found any grammatical mistake or any pronunciation mistake, then please feel free to comment down below and tell me so that I can improve it. Okay, so why this happen? Okay, why you don't have that confidence, or why you're lacking behind in confidence in speaking English? The foremost reason of this is that you think about people. You have this thing in your mind that what the people have to say about you. As it is well said in Hindi, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. And because of this reason is we all are not able to do most of the things that we want, because we always think about what people will say. Okay, but I want to tell you the most important thing, it doesn't matter what people say, because even if you don't do anything, then also those people will going to speak about you. So just stop bothering about them. You have just this one life, and if you want to learn anything, if you want to improve anything, then stop bothering about people. Why you are wasting your time, why you are wasting your energy in thinking what people have to say? Let them speak, yeah. Even if you don't do anything, they will speak then also. Okay, so let's improve. So the thing is very clear that you want to improve your spoken English, you want to improve your speaking skills. Okay, and trust me, it's okay if your speaking skills in English, if your spoken English is not good, it's okay. It's not something shameful that, okay, oh, my speaking skill is not good, I can't speak, okay, that what will people say, okay, your English is not good. Okay, they will say it that your English is not good, but if you will not improve it, if you will not practice it, okay, then your speaking skill will never improve. Now you have the chance to improve. But if you will just keep quiet thinking what the people will have to say about you, it's not going to improve. So wherever you get the opportunity to speak in English, to interact with someone who is interested in speaking English, then grab that opportunity and speak. Your speaking skills, your spoken English will improve only and only when you speak in that language. So wherever you get the opportunity to speak in English, just grab that opportunity and don't let it go. Just forget about people, what they have to say. They'll keep on saying, okay, but you should have your eyes on your goal, that I want to improve my spoken English. I want to speak English with fluency. Okay, so for that, I'm just doing it. Let the people say. And if you find someone, okay, yeah, who has good command over English, then please feel free to talk to that person. Or just if anyone improves you while speaking, then have that attitude, that learning attitude in you, have that improving attitude in you. That if anyone is improving you, okay, or just telling you that no, this happens in this way, you're just okay, speaking it wrong, then please accept that thing and just try to correct it. Okay, what I want to tell you is that have that learning attitude in you. Okay, have that improving attitude in you, and just be shameful. Be shameful if you want to learn anything. Okay, and there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in being shameful to learn anything. Okay, so if you're learning, if you want to improve your spoken English, you have to speak in that language and speak up. Don't care about what the people have to say. Even if you're very bad at English, you're worst, even then also speak. Because if you will not speak, you will always remain worst. But if you want to improve, if you want to become somewhat good, okay, then you have to improve that. And for that, you have to put your efforts. For that, you have to speak. Okay, so just stop taking care about what the people have to say. Let them speak. They will always speak. Okay, but you have to speak, you have to practice for yourself because you want to improve your English. Okay, so it's okay if your spoken English is not good because it's not our native language. So it's okay. And if you think that you think that no, people have this thing to say about me, I'll not speak, it's better to keep quiet, then I'm telling you that you are going to regret this thing, okay, in the future. Because by just keep quiet, okay, it is not going to improve your English. It is not going to improve your spoken English. If you want to improve your speaking skills, you have to speak. Okay, so just stop caring about what the people have to say. Let them speak. It doesn't matter that what they speak, what they say about you. Okay, let them say. It doesn't matter actually. Okay, so I want to tell you only this thing, that if you want to improve your spoken English, you have to speak. Just consume more and more stuff in English, and only then you can improve it. There's no any other substitute to improve your spoken English. So this was all about, and I think that this video might be helpful to you, and it might have given some reason to you that why you need not to be hesitant while speaking English, because it's your goal. You want to improve your English, and if you want, you have to speak. So stop caring about people and speak up. Okay, so this was all about the hesitation that we have while speaking English and how to deal with it. So if you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.